How are you?
Looking fresh?
Thank you.
Yes.
How are you doing?
Yeah, good. So, have you tried? You were facing doubts and situational problems last time. Have you tried and come out of it? Or
Yeah, I tried, but I get the same error. I couldn't get the files out from
you
Kaggle.
couldn't get the file out? Means you were not able to upload the file over Collab.
Yeah, I uploaded the file already.
Then what was the problem?
When I tried to put the files into after the NumPy and Pandas, so I couldn't get the files couldn't read in the system. It just sent system error.
Okay. Would you be able to share your screenshot?
Okay, I will see.
Yeah. In the meanwhile, I'll be taking your doubts. Mirazuddin, Amal, Muhammad Zafar, what is your status? Have you tried it? Have you did the homework?
We did the homework, I tried.
Okay. So have you felt confident about?
Yes, of course. That day itself also tried, I finished the task.
Okay, good. Yeah, I remember. I remember. Yes. You joined us recently. What's your status? Amal, if you can listen to me. Okay, Amal is not here. Sheet, who has joined as Zoom user, please rename yourself with your correct name. Please enter your correct name. The Zoom user who has joined with the Zoom username. Okay. Muzammil Rahis, Muhammad Sharif, and Jan Mathai. What's your status about the last class? Have you tried it yourself? Do you have any doubt regarding the same? Because right today we are going to have our further sessions over hands-on practice. Yes, your input, please. Okay. Prasad, have you joined us recently? Yeah, Janji, want to say something? Okay, same thing. Okay, what else could we do? Fine. Good evening, Betsy.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So, did you find it comfortable learning the last class, doing the hands-on practice, or any
Yes,
difficulty?
sir. No.
Okay,
It
good.
was okay.
Okay, thank you.
Previously, it was little tough, but after doing, it was okay.
See, we all know when we listen, we learn. We do not learn exactly. We just try to get through the things. Okay, this also exists. But when we do it ourselves, we can mimic it in further creative ways. So that's the best way to learn. Just do it once.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So right
Thank
today,
you.
I'll be taking the session further ahead, doing further new exercises. So I think be ready for that. Okay, so the people are joining. Fine. So let me share my screen. Fine. Is my screen visible? Anyone? Someone has given me a chat. Sarvanan Armungam. It is evening, I think. Afternoon is went back.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. So right today, okay, let me just revise you what we have done so far. So we have covered these many things. We let it's unsaid that yeah, you have to upload the data set, and the data set is viably available now. Everybody know the Kaggle. Going to kaggle.com and opening the Google Colab in order to upload the data set which you have downloaded from the Kaggle. So we are working upon IMDb dataset, which you must have uploaded till this date, or you must have downloaded at least till this date. 1 second, few people are there. Okay. So after doing this, we have converted all the text kind of thing into its associated lowercase. If it is a normal text, it is converted directly to the lowercase. If it belongs inside a data frame, then we have used a df as a data frame, which column we want to convert into the lower case. That is being done while applying .str.lower. Then we have removed the HTML tag from your data frame. So all the HTML tag which contain angle bracket, forward slash or question mark, any HTML tag which is genuinely should be an HTML, that was being removed in the last class. So right today you are being given to remove the URL. So I've already taught you the code that yeah, how to remove the URL. So please start. You have to go to the collab, upload your what's called data set, and rewrite the code to remove the URL. Okay, let me have few URL things for you. Let me go to our best friend and ask for the URL. Why it is asking me logging in at this time? Okay, I'll continue with Google. Yeah. Always be thankful to the chat GPT because it usually helps us in multiple ways if you are able to take the help of it. Always write thank you, dear. So it is a gratefulness you are showing towards the technology, and it is going to help you further in your life. Okay. Then somebody has joined with the name Tina Eduwing. Are you the admin or the student? Okay, you have muted yourself. Fine. So what was I about to get? I need a paragraph with multiple URLs inside it. That's it. I need it. That's it. Okay. It is saying, I'm sorry. First time this has told that, yeah, it is sorry. Okay. Generate a text containing a few URLs of your choice. Yeah. See, it has generated a text which contain few URLs, and we will use it. I'll give it to you to clean it. So do let me know, have you received it or no? Guys. Have you received it? All of you? The URL text? Sanesh, Shabir, Abdauji, Mirajuddin, Betsy, Prasad, Nalin, Zobin, Wazid, Imphal. Have you received? Okay, some chat has come.
Yes, sir. Received.
Yes. Thank you. See, I usually do not see the messages you used to send me. You know that I am more comfortable when somebody talks to me. My old students knew it. Fine. Thank you for at least this. So now apply what is to said. Apply to remove the URLs from this. I need each of you to be actively participating in. May I? I think one of the strengthful class is been today. 29 guys have participated. Oh my God. Somebody, guys, please mute yourself if you are not directly talking to me. Yes. So guys who are having the first class today can raise, may I see them raising their hand, digitally raising their hand. You know, you have an option to digitally raise the hand. Okay, Fincy is there. Fincy is having the first class. Shabir is having the first class. Bhaskaran Anant Krishnan is having the first class. Okay, only Muthu Kumar is also having the first class. I asked digital hands, Muthu Kumar. It's okay. I understand. Peer Mohuddin. So 5 people are having their first classes. So out of the 5 and excluding me, 24 students are required to
you all. I'll be entertaining you.
Answer me.
A few thoughts.
Athira, please mute yourself if you are not talking directly to us. Thank you. Okay. So, Fincy, Shabir, Peer, Mohammed Safir, Sharif, and I think is that guy, Muthu Kumarji. You please don't worry because to you this might be new and you joined the day when it's a practice session. So don't feel intimidated. Oh my God, what's happening here in the class? I didn't understand anything because you couldn't be able to attend my previous classes. That's the only reason. So people would share their experiences such that you might come to know that how the class used to go. Jobby Balan is also the first class. I understand Jobby. Yeah, you may lower your hand, all of you. Jobby, Muhammad, Pierre, Shabir, Fincy. Yes, how many of you been able to clear the text? Sanesh, may I expect you to be the first guy to answer? Mirajuddin has shared me something. Let me, okay, some error has come. See, I'm showing what your colleague has to share. Wait, 1 second. This is what? Are you able to see, all of you? What is my screen? It is the error shared by
Yes, sir.
Mirajuddin. Yes. So it is saying text 1 in today's rapidly. See, Mirajuddin, what you have done. You have given a text in single quote. Put it in double quote. Have you understood what you have done?
Yeah, I put double quote and triple quote also.
Then what's the problem?
It's coming almost same. Let me try again.
Yeah, let me show again with all of you that if it is a problem, 1 second, let me take it to the newer version here. Say text 4 I used to take. Okay, I'm simply pasting it. I have pasted it like this. And say if I take a triple quote, 1, 3, and I here. See, there is no error. Okay, let me show it to all. 1 second. Let me show it to all.
Yes, correct. Only thing I'm missing end of that I didn't put the triple quote.
Oh, see, we assume that we have put, but we do not. So all see, have you learned something, Mirajuddin? I have started from the last. So always start from last, because when you do apply the things at last, especially such double triple quotation, you have to put it in the front. Now please apply. So guys, to all of you, you are required to clean this text as a removing URL. No URL should be there after applying your code. And I believe every one of you is having the code. Those who have been here with me? Yes or no? Do anybody require a code? And the guys who are for the very first time, just have a look. Don't worry. Anas PT, Ginu Matthew, Abdul Manaf, Bhavika, Wajid, Sanesh, what's your status? Sarvananan.
Bro, I'm trying to open this page, but it's showing the site is cannot be reached in my system, in my mobile.
Mobile, it won't be open. It is based upon the laptop or the desktop, man.
Okay.
Because see, we are doing hardcore programming. We are learning how the machine learns. If even the phone support it, then what's the use of such a big processor or the laptop or the 16 GB RAM? Are you getting?
Okay, bro. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So please apply it. If anybody needs the code, do let me know. I think I have given everyone, I have made them converting or cleaning the text from this. I'm giving you 3 minutes to finish it up. And in the meanwhile, those who have joined us for the very first time, what was your, what may I call it? What was your thought process regarding it? Have you ever been to machine learning, artificial intelligence? Those who have joined for the first time, they can unmute yourself and please speak up.
No. First time.
Jobby plan? No, nothing. Fine. It's okay. Let's go. What's about Muthu Kumarji? Have you been to AI or machine learning before?
No, sir.
No. Fine. So, do you feel excited learn about it? If you can, very easily.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice having such an excitement in the class. Good. Fincy? No response.
No, sir. No.
No. So, what means have you don't you think that you are using AI but you do not know that what's going behind the scene? Like you know that you are using the say your smartphone, but what's happening inside every click of the smartphone, that is very well unknown to you. Why? Because you are the only last user of using it. So must I say that such a process is called abstraction. Like you only know that these are the tools, these are the buttons, you press them, you get the input, or you press them, you find the output. Like, you know, when you print Control P in your laptop, you get the printing command and the printer takes your command as an input and you get the output as a printed document. So such processes are called abstraction. You don't know what is happening inside the system, such that starting from the input given by you is being considered in some other language, and after interpreting this is to be done, and you get your desired outcome. So such a process where the complexity of the system is means it is kept as a unveiled. Sorry, it is kept as a veiled. It is not unveiled to you. You do not know what is actually happening behind the scene. Such a thing is called in object-oriented programming abstraction. So Python is one of the programming we opt for starting with machine learning, because we are supposed to learn that how the machine learns, what are the tools required to let the machine learn, and one of the unavoidable language to apply the machine learning is a Python in itself. So this is how I have made this platform such that all of us or all of you could learn machine learning using Python. And this is called Google Collab. So when you go for new Google and you write a collab, so you will find a thing collab.research.google.com. Sooner you press enter, see, I have, because I used to do work over this, so multiple files has opened. So if you do not consider it for the time being, suppose, so you simply close it and you go to file and new notebook. You go to new notebook, a new tab will appear in front of you, that what is to be done. 1 second, it is going to, can you see? This is a new tab, start coding. Never click over generative AI, because this is how you are about to start AI. You are not pro in AI, so never go for generative AI. Always go for start coding. Such a platform is called Google Collab. It is a Google hosted notebook where you write the Python code such that to allow the system whatever you want to get out of it. So right now we are doing text processing. Previously, we have completed a few things about machine learning, mathematics of it, programming of it, supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and the algorithm behind them. Let me check. Somebody has given me a message. Sanish, you are having an error. Why? Is this an error? No, Sanish, unmute yourself. Why this is an error? Sanish, if you are here,
Sir, I am outside right now.
Okay, okay.
I will check. I will check.
This is not an error because I think you are not using Google Colab. Are you using Google Colab?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Then why actually it is showing all red, but it shouldn't show. Have a look, see here. This is how it should look. But okay, if I change my impression of dark to say light, suppose, and save it, it looks like, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Actually, sooner I change the color of background, the text in which it is written comes out to be red, but only the sign, like say, suppose if this comes, say this happens, then the sign would have come that no, it is not a correct way to show. Can you see the red lines? So only the red lines, like a crawling snake-like lines, if they occur, then only there is an error. So it is not an error, Sanesh, to you. It is correct. So 1, 2, 3. And see, the error is gone. It's only the background you are using a very different way.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Okay. I have simply changed the background from here. Can you see? I just went to the setting here, this setting symbol and theme. I converted from light to dark. And what happened? Why it is not showing? Okay, save here. So that's as simple as this. So guys, please let me know, have you converted this URL into, sorry, this text into non-URL text or no? Yes or no? Else I need to provide you the code again. See, as simple as this. So I'll simply run it, but I think I need to run everything because, okay, 1 second. It will take few minutes only. Run all. So whenever you print run all your cells starts running one by one, not the thing. 1 second. Why it is saying title? Okay, we do not have title. We have review. Again. So this is removing HTML tag and this is removing this. So right now I am pressing for text 4, but text 4 is there. So I have to put text 4 here such that it runs. Okay, let me run it for you such that it removes text 2. Text 2 has not been run. I'm running the text 2 in front of you. RE is not defined. Why RE is not defined? Okay. These many things have not been run. Fine. df title, df text 1, RE, import RE, removing URL, text 2, remove URL. And see, this has been run. So now I'm going to copy the text here. What I just copied to there, I'm copying here, Control V. Can you see? I have copied it here. And see, it is very long. Those who are new, I have to scroll the things. So just put your cursor here and press enter. Put your cursor here, press enter. Put your cursor here, enter. And it goes on. Fine. Text 2, run it. Here, text 2, I ran the code. And let's see whether this code is able to remove the URL or not. Can you see any URL here, guys? Any URL?
No.   No.
No.   No. 1 second. 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 1 sec So would you be successfully able to do it or no? I'm just giving you the code. Please apply it. See, this is the code I have allowed you to learn several times in my previous classes. Please, I have shared the code with you guys. Please apply it and check whether are you being able to remove the URL from this randomly generated text or no. See, this is an hands-on class. I'm not here to do everything for you. You are required to do it because we have already learned it. Yes, those who are new, are you able to get something that what's happening here?
No, sir.
Anybody? Okay.
No, sir.
Actually, what happened? Say suppose you are having a text, multiple very big text, say 500 words, sorry, 500 lines of text. Suppose it is a very small text, 500 lines of text, and you want to clean it because it contains stop words, it contains punctuation, it contains few upper letter, few lower letter, it also contains HTML tag. Means it's a very raw form text, and you want to prepare a chatbot, whether the you want to prepare a chatbot, yes, where you would like to ask the question from chatbot about a text, that what is this text is all about, what information does it give provides, or if you ask a question whether such a line present in the text or no. Are you getting when you what you used to do in the normal web? So such questions you are going to throw at your text. So before that, if your text is not properly arranged in a learnable form, in a properly arranged in a readable form, or it contains multiple say multiple alphanumeric code, if it contains URLs, if it contains stop words, if it contains multiple comma, spelling errors, do you think that your bot would be as efficient as it should be? Yes or no? I'm asking this question to those who have joined me the first time. Give me the answer. Then only the current task would be understood. Jobby is saying yes. Fine. Okay. Second, Mirazuddin, I'm coming to your code. Why it is not showing? You have run the code, Mirazuddin. You have run the code, but you have not called the function. You have defined the function, but not called it. Call remove underscore URL text2. Just call it. It will run. Have you understood, Mirazuddin, what you have done? See, I have called it here. Can you see? I called it. You did not call it.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, those who are new, if this is the scenario, then we are required to clean the text, clean the numbers. Actually, you joined the class when the text processing is happening, and your colleagues have joined the class when number processings were happening. So they are able to connect it a bit quite early, or quite rapidly, quite easily, must I say. So don't worry. Just ask the admin guys to share with the previous recordings, few previous recording, 10 to 12, and you would be able to synchronize what's happening within the class. Am I understood, Fincy, Muthu Kumar, and the newer guys? What I did say just. No answer. Mirazuddin, have you been able to run it? Betsy,
Yes.
Jainji, Jain Matai.
I'm getting an error. It says indentation
Please,
error expected an indented block after function.
Mathai ji, please share your error. Share it in the chat box.
Yeah, I'm sharing.
Whatever error, whatever thing you are facing difficulty, please share it. I am here for correcting it. Okay, you are saying, oh no, share this error in the form of a screenshot, Mathai ji. Screenshot. For the screenshot,
Okay.
press print screen.
Yes.
It is saying indentation because as far as the error is concerned, indentation error. So indentation error means you have just pressed mistakenly a tab without means without a need. That's the only reason you are getting this error. Okay. Mirazuddin is done. Good, Mirazuddin. Mirazuddin said it's done. Yeah, you have received the correct thing. Mataiji, just take the screenshot and share it to me. Betsy, what's your status? Betsy, are you there? Sarvanan, Yusuf, Ranjit ji. I don't know, they joined the class and vanished like anything.
Yes,
Mohammed
sir.
Zafar, Sanesh is outside. Bhavika, you have been previously to my class. Janji, I did not receive your screenshot yet. Because see what the error you are getting, that error means here somewhere you have simply pressed the tab. See, this is an error now because I have simply pressed a tab. Tab means, sorry, space bar. So when a space bar is space bar is pressed, where it is not required to be, it gives an error. Okay, Yusuf has been with us with an error. Very good, Yusuf. You found an error. You got an error. Let's rectify it. Okay, your error is a really fantastic one to check. 1 second. You are saying, okay, Yusuf, you have started the thing. Okay, see, Yusuf, please unmute yourself. Yosef, please unmute.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yusuf,
sir. Yes, sir.
can you please have a look? You have written text equals to 4, but you are required to write text 4 equals to.
Oh, okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Just change it and see all the redlining will vanish.
Okay. Let me see. Yeah, by mistake that one. Yes.
It's okay. I understand. And even if you write text only, neither a text 4, need not to copy me. Why? Because to me, my code was having multiple text. Text 1, text 2, text 3. That's why I added text 4. If you simply write text equals to, this would also suffice. Or
Okay.
if you write, what is this? If you write whatever you are, say you have written this and just shift your three quotation before the 4. It will be added into the text. It's okay. Understood?
Yeah, understood. I just written like text SQL row. That's it.
Yeah, yes. Anyone else who is facing the error? See, that's why I'm here. That's how you learn, guys. If you do not try yourself, you would be here as a dummy. Dummy means listening to me, enjoying the show, and forgetting the things.
Sir, can I try on mobile? Was possible? Is only is it possible to?
Try if it's possible.
I'm
See, why I'm saying in a mobile, it would take lot of time to open the Google Collab. If your mobile is having at least 6 to 8 GB of RAM, then it is okay. Understood?
yeah, my mobile is good. Samsung A33.
Okay, go
Can
for
you
it.
tell me the correct exact link?
Who is this? Give me a name.
Saravana.
Sarvanan. Okay. So what do you want me to give you, Sarvanan?
Yeah.
What do you want me to give?
I where I can search exactly this type of link.
Okay, just go with Google Collab, collab.research.google.com. Let me share it with you.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm sharing in the chat. Okay.
Okay.
I've shared. Can you see HTTPS
Yes.
collab.research.google.com? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Opening.
Zobin is saying, please provide once more text. Okay, Zobin, 1 second. Let me see what's your error. You have the text. It's okay. Good. Okay, re.compile. Actually, you did not imported the RE, Zobin. See what you have done. You have taken the code, but you have not imported the RE. RE means this regular expression. In my previous classes, I have allowed the people to import the RE. 1 second, let me give it to you. See, this is how we import the RE. Can you see, Zobin? Import RE, likewise.
Yes, yes.
Just write import RE. That's it.
Okay.
And rerun all your code, and you will be mesmerized by the ability of Python. So I think today 8 to 10 people asked the doubt, and their doubts are pretty much clear now. Zobin, have you found your answer?
Yes.
Is the remove URL is able to remove the URL from the text or no?
I need the text once more.
Okay, 1 second. This is the text. I'm just giving you the cleared form of text. 1 second. Chat. Just see the chat box. Simply write it as it is. Before, after equal to. I have already applied three quotation.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So sooner it is done, let me come to my next point. So guys, are you enjoying? Like you are learning, removing the things, applying the code. You are doing yourself. This is the gist. So second is removing the punctuation. To remove punctuations, you should know what are the punctuations. Somebody has given me a text. Yusuf. Yes, Yusuf, what is this? Text 4 is okay. Applied. Yusuf, you need to apply the remove URL code and then answer me via chat or via direct unmuting yourself. Are you being able to? Okay. So now we would remove the punctuations. Removing the punctuation means, I'm coming back to it. So removing punctuation. So this is how, see, first you need to check that, yes, what are the punctuations? So I'm running it for you. What are the punctuation? These are the punctuations. So first, all of you get me notified that, yes, you know what are the punctuations. So please run this code. Please run this code to know that, yeah, these are called punctuations in English grammar. And in the meanwhile, let me generate a text with punctuations, okay? Can you see what type of prompt I am giving? Now generate the text which contains all the punctuations in English language. Specific, be very specific whenever you ask anything from chat. See, all the punctuations, comma, called, what's that? Has it given? No, it is given this, question mark, apostrophes. 1 second. Sorry. Here. See, these are the punctuations. Okay, let me copy it, because English language might not be having these punctuation, because these are algorithmic punctuations, because they also contain mathematical symbol. Do you agree, guys? It contains mathematical symbols also.
Yes.
No. Not yet. Now see, now it has given it. Can you see? When I said include the following punctuations randomly within the text and not at the last. So this is one of the finest and the toughest job of this. Can you see, we are using the AI. We are asking the question, do it for me, and it is doing it for us. Can all of you guys relate, Vinci and the newer people? Vinci, Zoben.
Yes, I'm seeing.
Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Okay. So now I will take it to the text pre-processing. So the text I'll now take it as Control V. And no, what happened to it? One second. Oh, here again I need to take the 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Because it contains so many double quotation in itself. That's why the 3 quotation is the best one. Now I think all of you should agree with me after attending so many classes. Yes or no? Okay, so this is your text which contains these many punctuations. So guys, had all of you checked where these punctuation do exist in Python or no? Just you have to write this code. Even if you do not go for time here, if you do not go for time, it's fine. Import string dot punctuations.
Please,
Yes, somebody is saying something.
yeah, please share the code.
Yeah, okay. I've already shared it, but yes, for the sake of simplicity, I'm resharing it with you such that you can do it right now. Here we are. Apply it and check, does it give you the punctuation which is in front of your screen or no?
Deepak, can you go to ChatGPT again?
Sorry?
Can you go to ChatGPT again?
Yeah.
And in your what you type, including for following, can you share it that sentence to me?
yeah. Have a look. I written include the following and I copied it from our Python. Include the following and following, inside the following we have all the punctuations randomly within the text and not at the last, because see, it was including all the punctuations at the last. Can you see? At the last. See
yes.
Here. Although it has created a text which contains all the punctuations in English language in the first attempt, but when we asked it, please repeat the following while including all the punctuation, it was adding it all at the last. Then after the 2 attempt, I asked it purposely that, buddy, please add it randomly within the text and not at the last. Then see, this is the answer.
Yeah, can you share that sentence?
This one?
Yes.
Last one?
Let me try.
Yeah. Are you enjoying it?
Of course.
Okay, thank you. See, when we do experiments, no, everybody enjoy it. But if you do not do experiment, the life is mundane, the life is monotonous. And it is not the same that
Please share that.
Yes, Jerry.
See, when I put in ChatGPT, it is not the same text given to
Yes, not at all. It won't give you the same text. This is the beauty, man. This is the beauty. Sanesh is sharing something. Okay, Sanesh, I understand you knew it. Now, please write the prompt I have given to you and please get me the text. Okay, let me, for the time being, I'm sharing this text to you. Control C. And it is one of the fantastic, what's called text we have ever generated live. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
It is being generated as the human being can read it. Although it is written quotation with the hash, we can read it as quotation. We can read it as enclose. We can read it as tangential. So this is how. Okay, I'm running it such that we could do our experiments. Okay, and this is the code which actually exclude or remove the punctuation. So I'm sharing it with you. You already have it, but for the sake of new people, those who have joined, I'm sharing it again. Please apply it. And you need to call it again after applying it. Calling means remove punct text. You need to call it like this, likewise. Control C, Control V. Then you need to call it this. And then the text would be clean. So I'm running it hereby. It's run. I'm not running it for the time being because it only gives us the time. So I'm adding one code here such that Control V, and the text, in the text I have applied these many things. So remove, why it is giving me an erroneous kind. Okay, let me run once again. Okay. See, can you see? It is not able to remove the punctuation in a very fantastic way. Not very fantastic way. But if you use this, let me share it again with you, this definition. And I have given you multiple times this answer, that always use the fast forward remove or a punctuation removal. This is the fast forward punctuation removal. This one, def remove punct 1, translate make trans. Let me run it. And if I do it, let's see. Oh my God, almost every, can you see? Almost every punctuation flaw is being cleared. Please do it. We will only call it a day when you complete this punctuation removal. Yes, guys. What's the status? Mirazuddin, Jainji, Abdauji. Somebody has given something. Mirazuddin has given us. Okay. So Mirajuddin, this is the previous one. This is the previous one. This is not the fast forward. This is the fast forward. str.makeTrans. Now use it. Simply change remove underscore punct 1. Just make it 1 and then rerun it. Mirajuddin, are you getting?
Yes.
Yes. And then see the magic. Yes, Zobin, want to say something? So Zobin, share the error. Oh my God, fantastic. Good, Mirajuddin. You did it. You did it, man. Good. So are you feeling comfortable and confident about the text pre-processing? Mirajuddin, at least you. Ah, see. Good.
Yes, thank you very much.
Yeah. So see, Zobin, you are facing the error because you are including the text inside. You need not to include the exact text. You need to write the variable. This text, are you ready for a thrilling journey? This text is to be saved in a variable called a text or text1 or text2. Then use that value, that variable name inside remove punct. Zobin, is it clear, Zobin? What did I say to you? Zobin,
Yes.
yes,
Right.
please apply. You learn while applying. Okay, no other chat. Janji, are you comfortable getting all your answers?
No, I'm just practicing.
Please, hurry. मतलब, accelerate yourself. At a very sound, very elite, very slow mode, I am taking your class in. Such that you guys learn at least one concept a day, at least one. And you need to be in sync. Then only this would be possible.
Yeah, I think I need to change my system. It is very slow. It is not going first
Please.
for what
I understand there are technology challenges, there are computer glitches, there might be sometimes, but we have to be on our toes if we want to learn anything. Else, even this year is a sluggish. 2024 is a sluggish year. Sooner the year have started, you might have felt okay. Initially, I was quite active, but right now I take what should I call it? You take an excuse. Okay, let's do. Okay, it shall be done in a later hours. This might happen this year, but you have to be at the top. Betsy Samuel, you have not responded me from last half an hour. Betsy Samuel, Sarvanan.
Yes, boss, I'm listening.
Okay. You need to do it. No, no listening. Okay.
Deepak.
Yes.
The page is open, but
Yes.
after some a lot of options is coming. That's why I'm waiting.
Or
Starting
you are
point.
in mobile, man.
Yeah. The page is open correctly, but some of the options coming. That's why I'm waiting. Which one is option the exact to do?
Actually, few options would not come in mobile because believe me, mobile is a interface which is having a very small screen. So if in your front of your laptop, if there are multiple options, so it is not always recommended that all the options might appear because Google Collab might not give you the options which are clearly visible in front of your screen, which is the laptop. I think you can abide by this.
Can you do only one time? Can you do what time? The first starting time, can you do one time? The first in the collab welcome page. Welcome to collaboratory. From the page, can you do one time? From the beginning starting.
One second. I'm coming. Which one? This one. Welcome to collab. This.
Welcome to collab. Yeah, this one. I came.
This one. Okay.
This page I'm in here.
Just go to file.
File. Okay, new notebook.
In the sooner you press the new notebook, a new tab will appear, and here you start coding. Is it okay?
Yes, page is opening, loading.
What happened? Very clever. Yeah, Bhaskaranji, you can always see the recording after this class. Bhaskaran Anant Krishnan. I understand that you might be busy because we all are working professional. So you might be busy, I understand. But it's okay. You might see the lecture again in your spare time. But do come in the next class after visiting it. It's my humble request.
Sure.
Would you be able
Thanks
to?
a lot.
Okay. Okay, so guys, I believe you must have enjoyed today's work, hands-on, working upon removing punctuations and removing URLs. In the next class, I'll be telling you removing or correcting the spelling errors if there's a spelling error and removing stop words along with removing chat words also. Like we used to say lol, 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 laugh out laugh, we used to write in our email for your information FYI PFA. Okay, So we need to convert those things into the full text. So those processing is also being required in the next class. So is it okay if I take such topics in the next class to improvise your text pre-processing? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay,
And
thank you.
we'll go
So
through your recording. So we'll be in, we'll practice it. Okay, sure.
yes, yes, please. So please come to the your dashboard with all your videos open, such that I could take a happy selfie with all of you. It's a ritual of this class. People, Janji, please come. Yusuf, Jobin, Mohammed Zafar. Whenever you guys come, then only I would be able to take. Okay, good. So I feel good that people are genuinely sitting at the place and listening to me and applying the code. Good, Yusuf. I'm accelerate. I'm quite feeling good watching at you closing the door. Okay. Uh, all of you, be in a thumbs up mode. I'm not promoting thumbs up, but yes, it's thumbs up. It's print screen. So thank you so much, guys. And please practice genuinely such that in the next class, you do not face the same problem which you face today. Okay. Chal. We'll meet again. All the very best. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good weekend ahead. Bye.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.